ke jingtyrwa kren iasuk jong keseng hinyo trap National Liberation Council HNLC minta kesengi kalapoi sundon syekit dendong shkor jong ke tnad Kampohiing keri namar umentri rong ba kejela u Konrad kisangma ubadan hanong ba Delhi naduk kesengi baar ulayo bania kenduk ya u home secretary ke sorkar pedeng bat kumjuk ru ya kiwei kihe katei katanat ban yathu haki ya ke jingkwa jong keseng HNLC banwan syakmat ban keren iasuk klem kinu ki jingbo kendon kenang ba ke jingsyong suk syong sngany kan wan pai no sya ke jela menteri rang ba ulayathu ba ke jing ya keren kalong ke besei so bat nakaliang kihe katanat Kampohiing kila sya shkor ya kani ke jing pensngou jong u bat kila ya keren ru kumno ban penya syakmat ya kani ke kam ya ke ba umpat wa ban yathu ulut ki kimat bakila ya keren ha kani ke jingelang namar ula ong bakapor kadang kloi than tang batang ka wei ka ba upen pau kalong ba ke jing ya keren kalong ka basngo tanat bat ka ba ai jingkermen bat kham tam ba ka tanat Kampohiing kala pediang ban penya chakmat ya kani ka kam.
I had a meeting today with the Home Secretary and other officials of the MHA. And it was regarding the communication that we have received from HNLC, where they have expressed their desire to have talks with both Government of India and Government of Meghalaya in the interest of overall peace in the state. And they've mentioned in the letter that they are coming forward unconditionally, as well as to discuss within the parameters of the Constitution of India. It's a welcome step. And we have updated the Government of India, MHA, on these developments. And detailed discussions on how to take this forward have also been discussed. It will not be appropriate for me to share those details at this point in time. But it was a very positive meeting. And we will take the steps forward as per discussion with the MHA. And in the next few days, more developments will take place.